I still need the long barrels. Hey, look at these tiny bristles. Never mind. It's so nice. Well, hello beautiful people and welcome to D-Life. Today I'm gonna say everything about Dyson Airwrap. It is a dream come true moment. I've been waiting, dreaming about it. Yes, about you. For as long as I can remember, like at least half a year. And finally it's here, it has arrived with a full pack of accessories. I just wanna make sure it's not gonna disappoint me. Finger crossed, let's hope it's gonna work. I found the biggest scissors in my entire apartment. Let's start to unwrap this baby. Let's see what's inside. The moment of glory. Oh, more paper. Oh, I was wanting to get with the long barrels as my hair is very long after I cutted it, of course. It was more, but I still need the long barrels. Okay. So there's these things, like they need to be rotated to change the direction, as I believe. Like a full pack. Let's put it like that. The brush, it's going to like side to side, wiggling. I think it's like to remove the frizziness or something out of the hair. And one more brush. What's the difference though? It's like one have this bubbles on top of them and one without the bubbles. It's like for the massage and for spiky feelings. Okay, never mind. Oh, I heard about it. It's like literally making your hair, no, not hair, make the split ends, you know, like baby hairs, disappear. But it's very high technology. I have no idea how to use it. It's rotating everywhere. Let's find out. Okay. More paper. And the regular styling. It's soft though. Usually they're very rough. And there's no changing of direction. There's just some even filter. That's smart. That's it. Here it is. The power. Okay. What? One more? Why there is so many wrappings? And there is everywhere these QR codes for the application. It's like download it here and there. Oi? Did I broke it? Why it came out? Is it supposed to come out? Okay, there is a dot. A filter. Filter. Okay, it's just a filter. But it's not closed. I think I broke the Dyson. Right? Okay, let me maybe close it first. Okay. Okay. That was the filter. Nice. There's something else. Instruction. Who needs the instructions? Let's do as it says. Whatever follow comes in. The brush. It's so tiny. Look at these tiny bristles. And Dyson, of course. It's a Dyson brush. It's not the brush, it's a Dyson brush. Mashallah. For what? I think it's maybe to clean the filter out. Smart. Okay. I'm gonna do it. And that's it. But there's supposed to be like a pouch and a brush and like for travel. This is it. It's empty. By the way, it's velvet. It's so nice. Why it's empty? I found it! Ah! Wow! It's so cute. Okay, I like it. So when you like do the curls, you like open them so they will be like nice and Hollywood style wavy. I like it. Okay. Oh, wow, so nice. It has like this engraving on top of it, so it's like very nice grip. And it's heavy. And it's my last guess, it's a pouch. Yes! It's so beautiful. The travel bag for the next travels. Oh my god, I like it. It's so soft though. Let's start. I didn't wash my hair. Maybe on the dirty it will try to work. Not dirty, like okay, 2 days ago, but it's vibrating. It's literally like when you... Oh, one more QR code for the application. Let's try Carol. Of course the Carol. It's working. Is it worked? It worked! Okay, the hair oil ready. And I think I found the instructions. You're never gonna believe it where they are. Right here, and then use the QR code on how to use it. I read it, and I still don't understand. I need something to dry my hair first. Let's try how to open it. Oh, okay, there is a lock. Smart. Let's do this one. Okay, here. Okay. So they say like here is supposed to be still damp and dry enough, but wet enough as well. I think I'm good to go, and let's take the small beaker, small. I want to have a smaller one. Oh, it's so. Alright, here's the situation. This is what happened with the Dyson. I think I'm getting better in this. Basically, you push it. Putting it inside, you pull it down. Oh wow. Ta-da! Let's style it. Oh, such a feeling. Wow. Wow. Here you go. Dyson Airwrap hairstyle on the ridge. I'm happiest. What to say about the Dyson? This is the thing. I love it. I love this type. It's so easy once you get a hold of it. I think I'm gonna get better. I'm like gonna do better, like really better. But I love it. The results better than I expected. And it's a little bit complicated, honestly, it's complicated to be using. You need to get a hold of that. But it's working, it's really actually working. I still don't know what they are exactly doing. So, this is the Dyson Airwrap styling, curling. Extremely easy, the hair is still very soft and as you see, quite shiny and bouncy. I will give a feedback at the end of the day. How did this state? Okay.
The best day ever.